everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the trending effect on Snapchat apps. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat apps. And then in here, you can click on the emoji icon, this one. Click on it. And then in here, you can see many trending effect on Snapchat. You can swipe like this, and then you can see many trending effect on Snapchat. And finish. So that's how to find a trending effect on Snapchat apps. Pretty simple, right? I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, guys. Bye-bye.